Hello everyone, and welcome to 5-Minute Law. In today's video, I will be talking about the Brown versus Board of Education case in 1954. To understand Brown v. Board of Education, we must first look at the legal system that allowed segregation to exist before Brown. Racial segregation was legal due to the Supreme Court's 1896 decision in Plessy v. Ferguson, which established the idea of separate but equal. Although the law claimed separate schools were equal, black schools often had fewer resources and opportunities than white schools. The case began with Linda Brown, a young girl from Topeka, Kansas. She was forced to attend a segregated black school farther from her home, while a nearby white school refused her admission. Her father, Oliver Brown, challenged the school district, arguing that segregation violated the Constitution. The Supreme Court had to decide whether separating students by race violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The justices questioned whether schools could truly be equal when students were separated based solely on race. Supporters of segregation argued that separate schools could still provide equal education and that previous rulings should remain. The opponents argued that segregation itself created inequality and harmed black children, even if the schools appeared similar. On May 17, 1954, the Supreme Court unanimously ruled 9-0 that racial segregation in public schools was unconstitutional. Chief Justice Earl Warren wrote that separate educational facilities are inherently unequal, overturning the foundation of school segregation. Brown became a major victory for the civil rights movement and inspired future efforts to challenge discrimination. However, integration did not happen immediately, and many communities resisted the decision for years. Today, Brown v. Board of Education remains a symbol of equality and justice. The case showed the Supreme Court's ability to challenge unfair laws and continues to influence discussions about civil rights and equal educational opportunity. Brown raises an important question. Can a court decision alone create social change? Although the ruling ended legal school segregation, achieving true equality required continued activism, enforcement, and societal change. That's all for this case. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.